Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding language, and making decisions. AI is already being used in a variety of fields, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. It's even being used to help solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. AI is a rapidly evolving field that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Researchers and scientists are working to develop new algorithms and techniques that can help machines learn and adapt more quickly. As AI becomes more advanced, there are concerns about its impact on society. Some worry that it could lead to widespread job loss or even pose a threat to humanity if machines become too powerful. It's important to consider the ethical implications of AI and to ensure that it is being developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. We need to think about issues like bias, privacy, and transparency to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Despite these concerns, many experts believe that AI has the potential to revolutionize the world and solve some of our most pressing problems. AI is a field that is full of opportunity, and there are many startups and companies that are working to develop new AI applications and services. The possibilities are endless, and there's never been a better time to get involved in AI. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work, and it's a field that is full of potential and opportunity. Whether you're interested in research, entrepreneurship, or simply using AI in your daily life, there's never been a better time to get involved in this exciting field.